Hey everyone, it's Dave from AWE, and we have exciting news for Subaru owners with their tracker touring systems. AWE has officially launched conversion kits for your systems. But what is a conversion kit? Let's check it out. AWE conversion kits allow AWE exhaust owners and new buyers to never feel locked in when making the choice between Tracker Touring Edition systems. After all, variety is the spice of life.
Spice.
We design our AWE exhaust systems for the Subaru with modularity in mind, enabling the rear sections of the Track and Touring to be interchangeable. If you're rocking the Track Edition and want to kill the drone and refine your tone, you can grab the Track to Touring conversion kit. This conversion kit includes 2 Touring Edition axle back resonated sections. On the flip side, if you have a Touring Edition and want to turn it up, grab the Touring to Track Edition conversion kit and let loose. This conversion kit contains 2 Track Edition axle back sections. Installation is simple. Once the vehicle is safely secured on ramps, jack stands, or a lift, unbolt the axle back clamps and remove the rear sections. Note that you'll reuse your clamps, so keep them close once you remove them. Swap over your tips, reinstall, adjust, and you're rolling. No matter which way you go, your power gains remain the same, just the tone refinement will change. And that, my friends, wraps up our Subaru STI and WRX conversion kits. Check out awesubaru.com for pricing and information on our conversion kits, as well as full catbacks for the WRX and STI. Be sure to like this video, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.